To activate a rose quartz crystal, start by rinsing the crystal off with plain water to remove any surface dirt. Then, smudge your crystal with sage or let it soak overnight in salt water for a spiritual cleansing. This removes negative energy and opens the crystal up to receive positive energy. If you've had your crystal for a while, or you just feel like it needs a deep cleansing, you can bury it in the earth and leave it overnight. Be sure to give the crystal a quick rinse after you dig it up to remove any surface dirt. Next, leave the crystal out overnight so it can bathe in moonlight and absorb the moon's energy. This is called charging the crystal. If you want to charge your quartz with more powerful energy, leave it outdoors during a thunderstorm. Once the crystal is cleansed and charged, hold it in your hand and state your intentions to activate the quartz for a specific purpose. Since rose quartz is associated with love, relationships, and healing, you might say something like, "I am a magnet of love. I welcome love into my heart." Or, "I will learn to love myself." Keep the activated rose quartz near you at all times and carry it with you when you leave the house.